Weather's been nice.
It has been, yeah.
Yeah.
A little front that moved through this morning dropped temperatures back down to where they belong. 90 degrees this early is kind of ridiculous. And you remember last night at this time we had a thunderstorm developing right over North Austin. Well, that was on the southernmost part of a line of severe weather that ripped through the deep south today, with tornadoes reported in Mississippi, Alabama, and Louisiana. 3 people slightly hurt. More than 3 inches of rain in 30 minutes flooded streets in New Orleans. Parts of Louisiana had more than 7 inches. And flooding is on the mind of many in New Jersey who can only nervously watch and wait. The Passaic River has already chased dozens of families from their homes. It's among several rivers expected to rise, with more rain in the forecast up there. Well, our little thunderstorm last night on that south end of that line put down a half-inch just between Maynard and Pflugerville. The Doppler radar estimates 1 inch, but the largest rain gauge total I saw was a half-inch right in between Maynard and Pflugerville. And then up in Milam County, too, had a little storm cell move by there that produced maybe a half-inch up to 1 inch of rain. Officially in Austin, we got 2 measly 100ths out of it late last night at Camp Mabry, and absolutely nothing at all at the airport, so our deficit continues to grow day by day. Well, it's clear out there tonight, a little cool, 59 degrees here in the city, but considerably cooler in some rural locations we'll look at in a minute. By morning, it'll be cool in the city. We're talking a low of about 40 degrees in Austin. That translates to a light freeze in some areas, especially out in the hill country. We'll show you those numbers in a minute, too. By noon, though, 62, and a beautiful afternoon tomorrow, a high of 72. Out there tonight, near 50 in most of the hill country, 46 in Georgetown's the cool spot, 52 in Bastrop. In Austin, it's 59 right now. But out at the airport, 48 degrees under a clear sky. And a north wind out there at 6 to 9 miles per hour currently. Mold count was medium today. Oak, elm, and hackberry all low. Our allergy forecast for Thursday: mold and oak in the medium category, other trees combining at a low count. Temperatures around Texas, 40s to the north, 50s and some 60s down to the south of us tonight, so it's not too bad. That front that moved through and brought the little thunderstorm to the North Austin area, little pea-sized hail even up around Spicewood Springs and 183. That front's pushed on off the Texas coast tonight, and skies are clear across the state. There goes that line of severe weather into Florida tonight that produced those tornadoes today, and it's snowing again in the northeast New England back across the Great Lakes area. A little dip in the jet stream taking that storm system away from us now. But you know what? After this system, the pattern is going to change in such a way that the jet stream shifts up to the northern part of the country. We see little ripples in it that can drag a front through every 3 or 4 days, but for the next 10 to 14 days, we don't see any significant storm systems affecting Texas. So I don't want to jinx this, but this has the potential, this coming South by Southwest Festival and the Star of Texas Fair and Rodeo, of being one of the best weather-wise we've seen in a long time. Let's hope it works out that way. Here's the official 8 to 14 day outlook. This is the week 2 forecast. Now, this takes us beyond the festival time. Warmer than normal. All of Texas, I think everybody will welcome that. Rainfall, about normal, maybe in our part of the state, but normal in March isn't that much. It's a fairly dry month on average. The next 2 days look great. Now, we will have chilly mornings, no doubt about that, tomorrow and Friday morning, but the afternoons will be super. All right, let's get to the forecast here. First of all, tonight, a light freeze is possible out here in the hill country. Mid to upper 30s most everywhere else. Tomorrow, very near. In fact, I think a few places get above 70 degrees tomorrow. Clear, 40 in the city in the morning, and then 72 tomorrow afternoon, a north wind, plenty of sun. 7-day forecast. Friday, cold again in the morning, but 75 in the afternoon. Good way to kick everything off on Friday, that's for sure. We'll see increasing moisture this weekend. Maybe a slight chance of a shower Sunday, which is the day we will begin daylight savings time and set our clocks forward 1 hour. And then look at that warm weather next week with a slight chance of a shower on Monday and another slight chance on Wednesday. Tomorrow morning on Austin News Today, weather and traffic together every 10 minutes beginning at